Yeah.
Salibonani Mashabi Zulu. The date is the 26th of February 2026. We are in Lilongwe en route to meet His Royal Highness King Mbezeni as he meets His Royal Highness King Bulelani Kalobe Ngola Kamzelikazi. On this journey that we are partaking, we have got Mtwana Malinga, we have got Unkosi. Namba bantu bakho.
Asibingelele sibonge futhi ngoba qiniso, this is a monumentous journey we are undertaking from Malawi eLilongwe to Chipata eZambia siyohlangana neNkosi uMphezeni. So siyacela nje ukuthi uThixo benathi amadlozi ethu abenathi endleleni lesihambayo, kodwa konke kuhamba kahle amahlabezulu amahle.
Ndabezitha, welcome to Chipata, to Incwala of 2026, which you have been invited by His Royal Majesty Mbezeni. What are the words you have for His Royal Majesty Mbezeni?
First and foremost, I think a warm thank you to say beautiful is the word to use for what we see here. When abantu bebambene ingxenye yendaba who support a cultural activity such as this, it's beautiful to see. It gives us, and especially when you see the militaries, because it then tells us tomorrow, next year, in 10 years' time, we will find Incwala either the same or growing, moving forward, as the generations evolve and translate into a new life and spirit. So it's beautiful to see, Baba. Thank you so much for welcoming us.
Nkosi, please introduce yourself.
My name is Leonard Jerry.
Yes.
I'm the brother to Chief President.
Okay.
Yes. We met with the chief in Malawi.
Okay.
That is how we know each other. We exchange numbers, but I thought maybe it's going to end right there.
Yeah.
Since we are one, it's now brings the oneness.
Okay.
And I believe my brother is so happy to receive it.
Several.
Wow, we can see big people going in. Ngosi Saidi alimkati ni chibaya chawe hicho. Ngosi Saidi na Ngosi kapata moyo. Aloba mkati supporting chibaya cha Chimpinga. That is Ngosi Saidi and Ngosi kapata moyo. They are doing it in style.
I am senior chief. We're coming from I would like to introduce him. We have gifts for him. Also in the delegation, I also have my own blood in Wales as well. Among just I'm from among them. So I'm coming with my king. He's presenting and you are the chief. I am based in
Your king
is in South Africa. I was born in South Africa. We took 123 years to find him.
True.
It took 123 years to find him. And so the nation of Palms Vegas is now standing. So that is who we are today. We will be with you today and tomorrow. I don't know, I was asked by my World Highness to inquire about the program for tomorrow.
Yeah.
And there was a request.
And we given a program. Normally, very early in the morning, there's no need of coming here now.
Yes.
We have an arena where everyone goes who are very new information about tomorrow. Very early in the morning, go to the arena, that's where everything will be taking place. You can now introduce. Hello. Yes.
Yes, my king.
Come I explain to Inkosi Yamakoso. Yeah, come I explain. Yes.
The name was
Yeah.
Kozlamakosi.
Yeah.
How are you?
So you're the king, and he's one of the chiefs, your chiefs, and he has got other people from Nagwe, lineage, and all those things that have come. So we are thankful that you have come. This is your relative.
Yeah.
So if you need to be assisted wherever this is where you come, welcome. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Back in who are there?
I hate.
mhlawumbe ngikhona ngami. I am the king's son.
Okay. Yes. His son. Okay.
And the king came with gifts. As an appetizer for more gifts that are coming.
Okay.
For more gifts that are coming. So we brought
Okay.
yes. So
You
our
want
king
him to We want him to hand off so that we make a good.
Of course.
Yeah. Right.
Bayakucela to come in.
Yeah, ngikhuluma kuncane.
Okay.
I'll just one or two words.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Nkosi yesizwe. Baba, thank you so much. Thank you so much. The welcome we've received, not only in your country, but a citizen, the nation that you run, that you are born to lead. The welcoming has been very good. So, in culture, we all know that before I say a single word, for example, something a Puma, this is what I'm known. So this is how I'm opening my mouth. This is not the end of the gifts over this weekend, but we're saying just as Umdom Dala likes to think, sit in the sun and have his coffee. There is your coffee. There is your coffee. I just open to see. That's the morning coffee.
Coffee.
And then we said, but while you are having morning coffee, you must at least have something to occupy your time whilst you think.
Okay.
That is it, you can take it out. I don't know if he wants to unwrap it now. Unwrap it later.
You can just hand it over as I explained.
Right.
Nkosi yabakosi akutimula ngiliwa lero not muchalo chake sasa ngeteka koma chalo chake tumugani na mwero wino wakuti yayi lomba mkuonga kwako alitakuka kula mromo koyambia ndiye unaona utimawa tena ninaka kwamba ingaone.
Yeah, this is a chessboard.
Oh,
this is an African chessboard.
African chessboard. I think the answer
So, this is just the start of a good relationship. So, this is a warm-up, a taster. Tomorrow we will then produce another gift should we find time. But you definitely have another gift. But we're trying to say, Sakuklogo, Sanitana, you are ours and we are yours. Owamukoko Wamalegela Lana, he ran here when there were issues within his own nation and you accepted it. Ukoko Wama accepted it with open arms. That is why we are here. Thank you.